my YouTube friends. If you think your job as a creator is finished the second that you hit end stream, I've got bad news. You're working twice as hard for half the results. The live stream is the factory. It's the raw material for the shorts and the reels and other podcasts or videos. But here's the problem. Most multi-stream platforms are completely stuck in the past. They're fantastic at getting your face on the internet, but the second you sign off, they leave you stranded with massive video files and hours of manual editing all ahead of you. So today, we're gonna fix that workflow. I'm putting the big three head-to-head, StreamYard, Restream, and Riverside. I'm gonna show you which of these is just a broadcast tool and which one is an end-to-end content engine. So if you wanna stop editing and start growing, you know what? Let's get to it! Let's start with the OG, StreamYard. The beauty of StreamYard is its simplicity. I'm in Chrome, hit the create, and boom, I'm in the studio. If you have a guest who isn't tech savvy, you send them a link, they click it, and they appear. It's that simple. Layouts are just drag and drop. I can switch between solo, split screen, or picture-in-picture instantly, and branding is right here on the side. Logos, overlays, countdown timers, it's all preloaded. It feels like a TV control room. The comment aggregation is stellar. If I'm live on YouTube and Facebook, I can click on a comment here and it pops up on the stream for everyone to see. And that's pretty much standard these days. Here's where we hit the first ceiling. StreamYard relies heavily on your internet connection. It's capturing the stream in the cloud. If my internet dips or my guest Wi-Fi drops, the video quality drops right along with it. That's when you get that Zoom call look, pixelation, and also audio drift. And that's fine and sometimes par for the course on a live stream, but it's pretty much unusable for high-end follow-up content. But here's the real kicker. The stream is over, I want to make a TikTok from a funny moment at minute 14. What do? My only real option is to download this massive video file, or maybe download the separate audio and video tracks if I enabled that setting beforehand. There is no editor here. There's no transcript. I have to take this file, put it into DaVinci Resolve or Premiere, scrub through the whole hour to find the clip and edit it myself. And hope the quality is good enough in the stream. StreamYard is amazing at going live, but it doesn't help you stay alive on other platforms once the broadcast ends. And that's where our next platform changes the game. So we switch over to Riverside, and at first glance, it looks like another studio. But the magic is happening under the hood. Unlike StreamYard, Riverside records every guest locally on their computer. It uploads the high-quality file in the background. That means if my internet glitches or drops to 480 during the live stream, the final recording is still a pristine 4K or 1080 or whatever you want. It also means my guests sound like they're in the room with me. For post-live stream content, this is absolutely amazing. And you can still multi-stream easily and change stream layouts with ease. And of course, you can aggregate chat from all the streaming locations into one chat to make it really easy to communicate with your audiences across all platforms. Now remember that post-production wall we hit earlier? Watch this. I'm not scrubbing through a timeline, I'm reading. If I want to cut a boring part, I just delete the text and Riverside edits the video for me. It's like editing a Word doc. One click and all the ums and ahs and awkward pauses, gone. I just saved myself 45 minutes of tedious work in 5 seconds. But we aren't done. The stream's over, but the growth is just starting. Riverside's AI analyzes the entire conversation, finds the most viral moments, and automatically formats them into vertical shorts or reels. So it already made all these clips, and I can just go in here and edit them. And I don't have to watch the clip. I can literally just read right here exactly what it says. If I don't like something, I can just highlight it and remove it. We can actually go over here into the tools, and we can remove pauses, we can remove filtered words. I can actually center this up. Let's say I don't like how it's centered. I can pull me over this way a little more. I can go right over here into captions and choose from busloads of different styles of captions. Click on it, bring it up here, move it wherever I want. I can go in here and I can actually select the font, size, the whole 9 yards. I can even just go down here and type in the size I want. When I'm done, I can just go up to share and export it with any file type at any size or anything that I want, and it's already ready to get uploaded. And this isn't just for shorts content. If you do long form content, it will take magic segments out of those automatically as well. And you can do all the same things. You can go in there and edit it, remove lines, remove ums, add captions as you see here. This saves hours. And if you don't find something that you wanted clipped out, it's just as easy for you to go into the full file and grab it yourself. Just by typing keywords or key phrases in, it will find them automatically, and you can basically select the text that you want, and it will just delete everything else. It's absolutely unbelievable. Now, some people might love editing, but it is definitely not my thing. And short of paying somebody to edit for you, which costs a lot of money, this is a lifesaver. I can just end my live stream and then Riverside captions it and centers the speakers, and it's ready to post to TikTok before I've even finished my post-live stream celebratory brewski. This is what I mean by end-to-end workflow. StreamYard helps you to broadcast. Riverside helps you to produce. So you get the high-quality recordings, the edited podcast stuff, and the social clips all from one browser tab. All with pretty much no personal editing at all. If you're serious about building a content library, then Riverside is the tool. Now let's talk about Restream a little bit. If your strategy is simply stream everywhere, Restream is the king. StreamYard and Riverside handle the main platforms just fine, but Restream, they connect to over 30 platforms simultaneously. You can stream to a Facebook group, a LinkedIn profile, and 3 YouTube channels at the exact same time. It's a pure distribution play. If you want maximum eyeballs on the live feed right now, this is the tool. When you are live on 15 platforms, the chat can be a nightmare, but Restream solves this better than anyone. They have a dedicated chat aggregator that pulls every message from every platform into one feed. You can even have a bot that relays messages between platforms, so a Twitch viewer can see what a YouTube viewer typed. It's powerful tech for community management. But we run into the same problem we saw with StreamYard. Restream is built to push video out, not really to make video content. You can get a recording, sure, but you don't get the local recording safety that Riverside has. And you definitely don't get the text-based editor. You're back to the old workflow. Download the file, open it in Premiere, and start chopping it up. So here's the truth. If you want simple and reliable, StreamYard. If you want maximum reach on 30 plus platforms, Restream. But if you want to actually build a content library, if you want to turn 1 hour of work into a podcast, a YouTube video, and 10 TikToks without hiring an editor, Riverside is the only one acting as a full production studio. It can save you hours of post-stream work so you can sleep or game or maybe even go out on a date or something. There is big value in that, in my opinion. Because trust me, I'd much rather be doing pretty much anything other than editing. But that's what I think. What do you think? Let me know about it down in the comments. And maybe you want to try out Riverside for yourself. They've given me an awesome promo code just for my audience. You can save 15% when you use the code Michael. Thanks a bunch, Riverside. I'm sure my audience is going to love it. If you want to see a deeper dive into how the features of Riverside work, check this video out. And if you're always looking for tools, tips, and tricks to help make you a better live streamer or YouTuber, subscribe to the channel. My name is Michael Feyrer Jr. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one.